Good morning, everyone. So, like I said, with us starting up this YouTube channel and starting really to get it to grow, I think I post some stats on our Facebook page showing that we are growing. That's good. Of course, I've made some changes to the YouTube channel so it's easier to find things and so on and so forth. But as I'm always telling people, subscribe so you get notices. The problem is if you don't have a Google account, it wants you to make one, and if you don't feel like making one, you don't have to. But yeah, the subscribe button only works if you have a Google account, whether that be Gmail or a business Google account. So the subscribe only works there. If you have a Yahoo email or a Roadrunner email or an AOL email, it doesn't work unless you create a Google account. So I wanted to show you this. I post videos every day. They usually drop at 7 in the morning, just to start your day off. So let me show you this. Now I'm going to turn on my desktop icons because I don't normally have them on for the studio. But I want you to see this. So most everyone has desktop icons. And so that's how it normally works for everyone. So I'm going to open up my browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. This should work for every browser. And we're going to go over to YouTube. Helps when I spell it correctly. And then from here, I'm going to type in who we are, which is Computer Garage LLC. If you have a Google account, you can subscribe directly from here. And you see we're now showing up, which is where we're supposed to be. I had it on my personal name for a long time, and my name is a common name, so there was like 50 million of us, I guess, and so you couldn't find the page. So now Google let me finally change it to this, and so now it's showing up. So yeah, you can subscribe directly to here if you have a Google account. If you don't, here's what you could do. You can click on the name. That'll take you over to our channel. So this is really nice. It's set up, new view or so on and so forth. This is where you should be. So you're going to hit the middle button here to kind of like put it in window mode. You're going to kind of drag it out of the way a little bit so you can see your desktop and the website. You're going to highlight it. And I just did a single click and it turned all blue. If it doesn't turn all blue, just click, hold, and drag to highlight it. Now the simplest way to add a desktop shortcut is once you have it highlighted in blue, left click, hold, continue to hold, drag it to your desktop, and release. And it will automatically make that link for you. So that's how you do it in a simple way. And this way you could check our website every day for new videos, even though you can't subscribe because you're not a Google person. The other way to do this, and this is the old way, is you can highlight it, do right-click copy, go to your desktop, do right-click, new, shortcut. And then you're going to do right-click, paste. Makes sense, right? Next, give it a name, and you can say Computer Garage LLC YouTube. And click finish. And it will also create it that way. So if the drag and drop method doesn't work for you, you can manually create it. And I'm going to make this one immediately available so people can see it right away, because like I said, the one thing I've discovered with doing this is if you don't have a Google account, you can't subscribe. And I follow quite a few people on YouTube, and it's kind of funny. They're always talking about subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. But maybe this is why they can't subscribe. They have millions of viewers, but very few subscribers, or the subscribers they do have, it's like 60 or 70 or 80 or 100,000. But they all have Google accounts, and everyone else, they're talking about, viewing, but they're not subscribing. And maybe this is the reason why. Maybe they don't have a Google account. So that's pretty much how you do it in a nutshell. Like I said, you just drag and drop the link to it. And then when you want to go to it, you just double click it. YouTube loads up right to the page. Now this will work for any page. So if you have like Facebook or Yahoo Mail or Gmail or anything like that, you could do the drag and drop with that website. The only thing I have known through the years is that with Gmail, and I think the same is true with Yahoo also, is your account may get moved from one server to a different server. It has no impact on the content of the site or your email, but you're in a slightly different location. And so if you're making a shortcut like this and suddenly the shortcut stops working, you may have to log in the long way and then recreate your shortcut. But that's how you make a desktop shortcut, and hopefully that helps you. So anyways, I will tell you, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, subscribe only works if you have a Gmail account. There's our Facebook page. If you have any questions, if you have any other questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section down below the video. In the video description, there is, of course, some other things like how to donate and where to find us also. So if you just, like I said, that's how you can do it. And unfortunately, you have to have a Google account, I think, even to leave a comment. But you can follow over onto our Facebook to leave a comment, and also on my page there's a way where it will reveal our email address. So if it doesn't work, or you can just give me a call, and we can go from there. So anyways, I hope this helps you out. You guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later.